tadi kan nadapi na pa.
Sedih rin man.
Nanti saya sedih sama na.
Oh, di pemeran nanti.
See, they're all sad. Me, I'm more like annoyed. Like, why the heck didn't he join? Especially since this is an event we've been looking forward to for a long time. Just when everything was finally sorted out, he couldn't make it. So I made this film to convince him to come. What a beautiful sudden escape this turned out to be. We'll spend the night, relax, clear our minds, and just chill at Situ Patenggang. After Maghrib prayer, we started setting up our tent. And Zubair sent him the location, trying to convince him to join us. Once the shelter was up, we started preparing our simple dinner. I'm sure he really wanted to be here and enjoy this relaxing night too. Hey, you're the one who chose not to come. We're having a barbecue tonight. Just imagine it. We're eating tons of meat because we took your share too. After dinner, we're just chilling in the cold, sipping ginger tea and coffee, staring at the campfire lost in thought. As usual, they chatted and snacked until 3 a.m. And good night. Good morning. Man, this would have been so nice. Yeah, you can't really see much at night, but wait till you see the view in the morning. Whoa. That's the whole point of chilling, just zoning out in the morning. After spacing out for a bit, we made breakfast and enjoyed some coffee. This morning feels really special. The air is cool, the sun's still shy to come out, and everything's so quiet. This is what chilling is all about. And on top of that, hot cup noodles and hot gorengen. It doesn't get much better than this. This is such an moment. After filling our stomachs, we burned off some calories while watching all the people coming to check out the place. I'd probably sit here till the afternoon too if it wasn't getting so hot. Time for a late morning coffee, just enjoying the gentle breeze. We're Indonesians. We absolutely love the perfect combo. Coffee and fried bananas. Honestly, we'd love to stay longer, but our loved ones are waiting for us back home. And we wrapped up our little chill session with a late lunch before packing up and heading home. Sometimes the good moments feel really short, but we still have to end them. Maybe that's all for this sudden escape. Are you sure you won't come again?